A network has a data transmission bandwidth of 20 into 10 power 6 bits per second. It uses CSMA CD in the MAC layer. The maximum signal propagation time from one node to another node is 40 microseconds. The minimum size of a frame in the network is dash bytes. So this is a question from computer networks regarding CSMA CD. Here they are saying that we are transmitting a packet from one node to another and we are using CSMA CD for collision detection. If that is the case, what should be the minimum packet size used in this network? So take this example here. Let us say node A is transmitting to node B. Okay. Now A starts transmission, so the signal starts propagating in this way. It goes through the channel and let us say at some point some collision happens. Okay. After this much time collision happened, meaning that information needs to now flow back to A. So that will flow back like this and it will go to A. So how much time did it take? The total time is this part plus this part. That's the total time it took for A to realize that there was a collision. Now the worst case time, the most time it can take is if the collision happens at the end of the channel. That is, collision happens, let us say, just before B. So for this much time the packet keeps on propagating through the channel. It reaches up to B and then some collision happened. So that information has to flow back to A. So the total time taken is the time taken from A to B plus the time taken from B to A. Now time taken from A to B is propagation delay, that is given as 40 microseconds here. So the maximum amount of time it can take for A to realize a collision has happened is 2 times the propagation delay. Okay. So A should be keeping on transmitting a packet till that much time at least. If the transmission time, let us say, was less than 2 times propagation time, imagine. So A is keeping on transmitting. After a while some collision happened and before this collision reaching A itself, A will have finished transmitting the packet. Now in that case, only after transmitting the packet A will realize that some collision happened. So in that case A won't be able to retransmit the packet. That should not happen. Before A finishes transmitting the packet, the collision information should flow back to A. The maximum time it can take for the collision information to flow back to A is 2 times propagation delay. So the transmission time of the packet should be at least 2 times the propagation delay. Only in that case A will get to know if a collision has happened before the packet finishes transmission from A. Now that means Tt greater than or equal to 2 times Tp. Transmission time is nothing but L by B, where L is the packet size and B is the bandwidth. So L by B greater than or equal to 2 times Tp, meaning packet size L greater than or equal to 2 into Tp into bandwidth. That's equal to 2 into propagation delay was 40 microsecond, that is 40 into 10 power minus 6 seconds into bandwidth was 20 into 10 power 6 bits per second. Now this 10 power minus 6 and 10 power 6 we can cancel out. So the total is 2 into 40 into 20 bits, that is 1600 bits or 200 bytes. The question they were asking the size of the packet in bytes, that is 200.